Hey guys, Chris here from Solo Stove. Today we are going to run through what it takes to light a Ranger. Ranger is our smallest fire pit and it's actually the easiest to light. It's pretty simple. First thing, I like to take our juniper firewood and chop it up into finger width pieces. This is like pieces of kindling, about like this. And you can put these on the base of your fire pit and create a little Lincoln log type structure, just like this. So now you'll take your starters, any kind of fire starter, but we do sell these starters, and put them on each side of that. So you want to get a lot of coverage on the bottom of the fire pit with your starters. Then take a couple more pieces and cover the starters, but just enough to where you can actually reach it with a lighter. Okay? Now take a lighter and light the starters. Okay, both starters are lit. So while they're kind of cranking up a little bit, I like to add a few more pieces on top, and then take the rest of these pieces and actually create like a teepee around the top here. Pretty simple. The goal is to just create a nice ember bed. Then you can start adding larger pieces of wood. The smaller pieces of kindling have caught and you've got a nice ember bed. It's a great time to add larger pieces of wood like this onto the fire. The diameter of the Ranger is a little bit smaller. You might have a harder time fitting larger pieces of wood. The best option is actually what we sell on our site. They're cut perfectly to fit inside your fire pit, but you can also try chunk wood. It's a great option as well. And that's really it. So enjoy your new Ranger, all the places you get to take it, and the memories you get to make around it. We'll see you next time.
It comes with 4 fire sticks, the ash pan, which pops off when you open it. You'll hear a little pop and then you'll know it's free. The Firebox stove is made of hinged panels, so there's no assembly. I'm going to set up this firebox. The ash pan slides in down below. These fire sticks have all kinds of different uses.
Well, not one.
You can put them across the top to make a pot stand for a smaller cup or a smaller pot. You can even pick the Firebox stove up with them. Slide sticks in from the side. Just 2 sticks seems to be about the right amount of heat. It's a very efficient stove. People buy it because they're excited about how many things it can do, but then they're always very impressed at how well it works.
We are Aquaforno, and this is the Aquaforno II. Since 2011, we've been making award-winning telescopic multi-stoves designed to be used with wood, charcoal or gas all year round. The Aquaforno II is the perfect stove for everyone who enjoys spending time and cooking in the great outdoors. It's like a kitchen in a backpack, so you can cook your meals, keep warm, and even have your hot drinks on tap. We originally came up with the idea because we wanted to make pizzas for our daughters while camping, but couldn't with a standard barbecue. The Aquaforno II has now evolved to be a world-class product after years of R&D and listening to feedback from our customers.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Unlike most outdoor barbecues or fire pits, the Aquaforno II is incredibly versatile. The unique patented design gives you so many cooking choices from one simple collapsible unit. Fancy a hot drink? Simply filling the side tank with water, in just minutes you can be enjoying a hot coffee. The sidearms are perfect for getting things dry. You can bake anything from pizza to breads and puddings. It's great for feeding small groups or large parties. You can grill, fry or sauté, or cook your Sunday roast. Another unique feature is to smoke all foods from meats to fish, or even use the rotisserie. The kids will love the sweet treats, like freshly toasted brioche. It's perfect whether you're camping, hunting, or at home in the garden, on a day out, or tailgating at the game. And even warm your soul with mulled wine on tap. The initial feedback from our customers has been brilliant, but we need your help to enable volume production for the first time.
Meet the next generation of fire with the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Featuring a patented thermoelectric design and an integrated onboard battery, you can turn your fire into power in real time or store your electricity for whenever you need it. The LED interface provides instant feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Use the included flex light to illuminate your nighttime cooking with accurate color render technology, and integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen. And anytime you go off the grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus.